hello world, let me explore something like we want to go through it, and we want to print that. Okay, instead of hello world, if we want to print like hello from Independence College, then hello from ICC. Okay, Independence Community College, Module 2, Program 1, and here you go. So this is a line. Now next line, if you want to print, just write down again C out, and this is just test. Okay, this is just test. We are just testing our code, so we have written this. This is just test. So this is how we can write our code. Now let me execute and try to identify the output. Okay, so here is the output. Hello from ICC Module 2, Program 1, and then we are getting the output in the same line like this is just test. Now, let's say for example, I want the second line's output in second line itself. How it is possible? So I'll write just slash n and you are good to go. Just write slash n, that stands for a new line. So this output will be in a new line. So let me go through the output. Look at here. The output is the output in the next line. So you can print multiple things, use slash n. One more point I want to show you, that if by mistake a dot is there in my code and I am trying to run my code, it will generate an error. Okay, means in your C++ code you are not allowed to write a dot even, because we are following standard syntax. And this is a syntax of programming language. This is a syntax of C++ programming. So we should follow the syntax. We are not allowed to write even dots. But if it is required that I want to write something, for example, I want to write that, okay, this is my first program, how can I write it? So to write, we can use comment. So here I have used 2 times double slash, 2 times slash, and this is called comment. This is comment. Okay, means this part is not going to execute by your code. And after 2 times double slash, you can write whatever you want to write. Like I want to write, this is my first program in C++. I can write it. Okay, now suppose still I want to write that, like I have developed it to learn C++ programming. Okay, so like this way you can use these comments, and these comments are called single line comments. So this is comment and it is called single line comment because it is commenting just a single line. But instead of single line, if I want to use multi-line comment, I can. How can you use multi-line comment? Multi-line comments means multiple lines. How can you use it? So to use multi-line comment, use a slash, then asterisk sign, and wherever you want to complete your comment, just use the asterisk sign and slash. Means this is my multi-line comment. 2 lines are there. I mean more than 1 lines are there, and this is called multi-line comment. Okay, and now let me run our code. There will be no effect of these comments on our output because it is for like a reference purpose. So in case, suppose you don't want to execute certain code, just use comment, either single line or multi-line as per your requirement.